Dave here, Hayes Motorcycle ATV, Thomastown. Yes, I've just had a haircut. Don't I look sleek? Anyway, kickstart issue on this thing, little PW50. Yeah, now I think in some circles it's a common known problem. I forgot about it, I'll be honest, forgotten the common known problem. So investigation's always better than presumption. Anyway, just show you, I don't know if you can see it. So this shaft here, see how pissed it is? Should be straight, and they only, because of clearance, they only weld it on this side. See that weld? There's this one is cracked. Hang on. It's cracked. There we go. See the crack? Woo. Excessive kicking, probably because it's been stored, laid up. Someone's like, oh, start it, you know, kick. It's bent. Now, you can replace it, or if you're clever, you could straighten it, weld it, and brace it a little bit in certain points, because you've got to be careful, because where it sits in hither, rests against there, you can't weld on the back of it because you need the clearance. See, there's no real clearance. There's it buttons up just a tiny bit. It's machined so it doesn't hit that case in there at the back there, this one. But you see how it's pushed away? That's causing binding on this gear, so it's getting stuck just because this is bent. So what I'm going to do, I am going to bend it back, weld it properly, and brace. You see on those flats there, on these ones here, I'm going to bridge a little weld across here and there, possibly drill a little indent inside this shaft there, so the weld fills it up and binds it across here. Could replace it, but I'm going to try and weld it first and see if I can get it nice and straight and kicking right, because then it will be nice and strong forever, as opposed to replacing a part that could fail again because of poor welding, really poor design. Should have welded it in those corners, but these are made to a budget. You can't weld in there, unfortunately, that gap, because well, you could, but you'd have to, you know, drill it back, you know, get rid of the weld that's on the outside and just have it tucked on in that gap. So I might do that too, actually. I might drill a little hole, tiny little divot of a hole, not a massive one. And I don't know if you can see it. Oh, bloody on my video. Anyway, sorry, in there. Oh God, I've probably just been pointing at the wheel. Yeah, so let's see if we can get his little boy happy for Christmas. Okay, goodbye.